They must be scared of her. Gotta get them right off the bat. That number 3 car. They're a road lady. Trying to find his first victim. Goes down. 865. Takes the left. It's going hard. Number 10, put it out. 84, Tony Wilson. He's worried about this. Rick's got that big one in the car. He wants to try to get it out of there. And Morales down here in the corner. We got a big tire. He don't care. That car number 79. Good heavy car. Ain't a nose down on him. Number 10, put her lady down into that 20 down the property. Nobody moves around the distance. Everybody's taking a risk. Are here for a walk in the park. They're here for the money. They're here to bring it out. Car number 26, Albert Deputy. Come on, Albert. Your car is smiling. Get this thing running again. Don't just sit there. You're on the clock. And so is right back into the pile. Looking for a victim. Comes in. Strikes that car number 84, Tony Henson. Look out, Anna. Here's the real. That lady in that car number 10. He's screaming mad right now. I guess Anna had her way with him. Now he's picking on her. Tony Henson in the 84. He's not worried about that front end, but that's the part you gotta guard. Come right back into Red Road Lady's number 10 car. Oh, your motor's running. Come on, Anna. You're on the clock, girl. Get that car running. We want you to stay in the pile. Turn in speed. Pump that gas. Get those gears. Move your car. That road lady pouring out of the pile. Looking for a victim. 869. Jay Lamar's doing the same thing. Look out, Jay. There's that Everybody's on the clock, except for that young lady in that car number 10. 869, Joe Lamar, still on the move. Still losing it out. The clock's running. 84, Tony Henson, trying to get it started. Oh, golf time, Anna. You're out of there. The time ran out. Blame it on the mechanic. You still what you're driving. That love lady in the pink car, looking it out with 869, Joe Lamar.